Nina,
Yeah.
what are we gonna do today?
Walk,
And
breathe,
breathe. Okay,
and blink.
good stories. So yeah, this was where we were supposed to go, but today, of course, is still closed, but not online. Best time of the day.
Okay, calories burn up.
Reach number 1. I guess this is what we do in Europe. So, welcome to another vlog from Austria, and today we're in the Wolfsklamm. It's basically a massive gorge formed by water coming down from the hill. I hope you can even hear this because the water is pretty loud coming down, but yeah, it is absolutely fucking awesome. It's so cool, but you're gonna see that right now. Into the darkness we go. Come on. Be it the last thing you ever do. Really nice and cold water, absolutely really nice. And the water is, well, drinkable, I think, because at least I tried it. Oh, wait, I have to zoom out. This is better.
Yeah.
The water is drinkable, at least, well, I tried it anyway, because all the way up to the top you had a stream and you could, well, kind of get close to it, fill up your bottle and yeah, well, let's hope if there's a tomorrow's vlog, I won't die. Woo! This is so cool.
Maar wat dan? Boven kijken. Een vloek op je auto. je pink afzetten.
It's pretty cool.
Moet wel lopen.
Snik.
De koelste steek. Ja, maar er zijn belangrijkere dingen.
Ja, precies. Who cares? Van de nacht, wat ben jij voor een vrouw? And then it slightly started to rain. Like, seriously rain.